So back in the 991 generation, this was considered the Porsche red brake system. There was a red and a yellow, and the yellow was a carbon ceramic system, where this one was a steel system. So we're gonna take a look at this in the video. We're gonna pull out the caliper, we're gonna look inside, and we're just gonna let you guys see the brakes on a 911S and a 991 generation. And here is the caliper off of the rotor. We have a 6-piston caliper. You could even see the outline. You have 1 piston, 2 piston, and 3 piston. It's the same on the other side. And this is how the brake pad looks. And you could actually see the indentation of the pistons on the brake pad. Now let's look at other components. We have a outboard bleeder screw, and we have an inboard one over here. And then when you look at the back of the caliper, you could actually see some of the hardware for the brake pads. There's an opening, about 3 of them, and that's gonna allow stuff to vent, for heat to vent. And now we're gonna go ahead and show you the inside. Okay, now let's take a look inside of the caliper. First off, here's our pistons, then our boots around our pistons, and then these pins right here. These pins are the ones that the brake pad rides on and connects to on these pins right here. Let's see if I can show you one moving, just like that. And then when we look inside, we have our hardware. You actually have a brake wear sensor that's embedded on the farther brake pad, and that is the inside of our caliper. And here is our Porsche rotor. This rotor is about 14 years old. It is a steel rotor, and it actually came drilled from the factory for ventilation and for heat dissipation. And it's like your typical rotor. It's steel, and of course you have your screws that hold the rotor in. These are actually infamous for being stuck on there. And yeah, our rotor is pretty simple. And the driving experience with the brakes is great. It has plenty of stopping power. They look awesome, and they feel great. I would say the only con is that they make a lot of noise. They're squeaky. And the reason why we have our brakes taken apart in the first place is because we're gonna refresh them, we're gonna clean them, we're gonna add some more grease, and we're gonna clean around the area. And I'm gonna see if that actually helps with the noise, but I'm really trying to see if the noise is attributed to possibly just being dirty and dry, but we'll see. All right, if you wanna find out more, check out that video. We're gonna show how we do that step by step. Thank you for watching, you take care, and we'll talk to you soon.